Hey everyone, and welcome back. This is Elizabeth with Rose Barn Embroidery Designs, and today I have something a little bit special for you. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing video. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. I purchased this on a Sunday, and it came on Wednesday. I'm really excited because I cannot wait to start using this. The box is kind of torn up, so why don't we just cut the box. Any ideas what it could be just yet? I feel like I'm opening a Christmas present. Everything, it looks like it's right in here. Any ideas just yet? It's a press! I went to the Kam website. I will link Kam's website below. And I decided to buy their press. I'm kind of sick of using my hand press and it's really kind of hard. And of course I did have to buy pink. Let's go ahead and set it up. Let's see if the directions are in here. I'm trying to see if they gave you directions. All right. So we're gonna have to wing it because I don't seem to have directions. I'm gonna assume we go ahead and put this in like this. There we go. And there it goes. Alright, so we got our handle on. If you guys want me to show a tutorial on how to use the press as well, I will definitely do one of those. So I only ordered a few just to try this out to see how I like it first. And I did order the dies for the grommet for 5mm, which is an eyelet. As well as a double cap rivet, which is these. So I ordered the dies for these double cap rivets. I don't know if you guys can see those. These are rainbow rivets. As well as I ordered the ones for the crystals, which have those nice little crystals on them. And then I also ordered the interchangeable snaps as well. And it looks like here's our adapter base that they send with it. So here's the adapter base. I believe you have to use this. I'm going to have to give them a call and ask them for directions because I didn't get directions with this. I believe the adapter base goes down here. Then here's the crystal rivet 7mm and then the 6mm. Now the thing with the crystals is the top part is a 7mm and their bottoms are actually 6mm. That's why they send you both of those when you order the crystal. And that's what it looks like. It has like a little dent so the crystal can sit in there without getting compromised or shattered. And then there's the 6mm. They are slightly different. So one must be for the cap and then one must be for the bottom. Yeah, they're actually the same. They look very similar, but they have different ends. Yeah, the adapter, I believe, goes right here. Yeah, so the screw part is right here. So you would just screw in and there you go. And then you just push down and you have it. I'm going to try and keep these together so I know exactly what's what. It will leave a little bit of a residue on your hands. It's fine. I also got the 8mm for rivets. The reason why is there's so many different rivet types and I grabbed the 8mm because that's the most common one I use other than the crystal. But eventually I'll probably get all of them. I also got the grommet. I got the 5mm grommet, which is an eyelet, which is these ones right here. So these are the 5mm grommets, which is just a simple 3/16 of an eyelet. It is a little tricky trying to figure out which ones you need and which ones you don't need, but they're very, very, very simple once you figure it out. And then here's also the interchangeable Kam Snaps for the plastic ones for size 20. So here's your adapter for it, and this is the no change. This is for the male and female end, and this is for the no change. So this is the one that I would most commonly use, so I don't have to change either of these. And then again, you have your adapter for all the others, and then you have your main adapter for your Kam Snaps. If you are interested in getting a press for yourself or any of these dies or any of Kam's products, you can go ahead, go check out their website. I will leave a link to the description below. And you can also use RoseBarn10 for an additional 10% discount. If you do like this video and you do want to see more unboxing videos or even more videos on how to use this, how to set it up fully, like and subscribe and leave me a comment. And until next time, guys, happy stitching.